How to stabilize videos in Capcut PC. So if you want to stabilize videos on your Capcut PC, then what you need to do is first open up your Capcut application. Once you open up your Capcut, now you just need to simply go with Create Project and you need to import a video. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. Once you've chosen your video, now if you want to stabilize this video, so what you need to do is simply click on the video or choose the video. Once you've chosen, you need to go with the video section, which is on the upper right. Once you're under the video, now you need to scroll down and here you will have stabilize option. Click on stabilize, and once you click on stabilize, it will stabilize the video. It will start the processing. So it might simply take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just wait for some time and you can simply go with the level of stabilization. You can choose recommended or minimum cut, most stable. So I'll be choosing recommended and wait for the processing to be 100%. And after that, you can export your video. In this way, you'll be able to stabilize your videos in your Capcut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.